AInfinity is about helping companies to deliver AI solutions quickly, securely, at low cost. So we developed a platform where the customers can, the organizations can able to develop solutions quickly at a very high speed and a low cost. So the So this is a real-time edge detection with AI, computer vision. So it's actually recognizing the people in a real time, as you could see, multiple people walking in here. So you can able to see the recognition of different people and different personas happening as moving in real time. So the power of this application, what we developed, is at a very low cost and very high-powered application where you can actually apply that into different scenarios like smart city and security and surveillance and perhaps in different verticals to identify the facial recognition example or maybe a fraud, different scenarios. And the power of this application here is that it's very low cost and high power and without internet connectivity. AI at the edge. What it can do for the smart city, smart home or different kind of autonomous vehicle scenario, right? Do you think it's useful?
Chair, person, yeah, I think it's recognized. Does it recognize the cat?
Yeah, it
Cat sort of
recognizes like
roaming
a
around?
lot of objects, and
Yeah.
yeah, definitely it will do a lot of things. As you can see, you can recognize people and pictures and kind of real-time detection about. Yeah, we developed here. So the power is that we just wanted to give that advantage to the people at a very low power device, and also without internet it can work, so that you can apply it into different verticals and obviously with a low cost.
What was the use case that drove this?
Really about the
solution?
edge person detection, facial recognition. So that actually makes you that you can able to recognize instantaneously without having to have very heavy infrastructure to do that. That's the idea behind it. Obviously, you can apply that in a smart home scenario where you can actually track who is coming in your front yard, so that you can actually detect a notification that okay, someone is around. So you can actually integrate into that
Right, yeah.
kind of scenarios. And obviously, you can apply in a smart city where you can actually apply that into like in China, people are actually doing that. Actually, they can recognize people, and if they actually violate a law, then actually they can get a point.
Yeah.
So obviously it's very far edge on that, but
Yeah,
obviously
that's
we just wanted to,
recognition,
yeah, we just wanted to give that applications to the people as well. Yeah, definitely.
stuff, great.
And thank you.
Yeah, great stuff, Raj.
Thank you.
Very much.